So this is my reality. I got dog sleeping on the couch. And this is, and when they sleep in our bed, this is the noise they make too. Ready? And that's it. Big creepy. He gets these creepy zombie eyes where he's almost awake, and he makes those loud noises. But he's awesome.